This place is very beautiful, right? So, means they have timings to teach people. They teach swimming here, as you can see. Yeah, and yeah, so I am in my hometown right now, and my birthday is in 3 weeks. Today is 8th August, and my birthday is on 4th September. So, I'm here for like 2 weeks more, and then I will go back Pune. So I was just checking. I wrote down on a page what all things I did till now. So 30 things that I have done by the age of 30 is communicate, interact, and socialize with people. So that is the first thing. I love interacting with people, and that is very important. You learn something, you help people learn something, like that. And yeah, keep sharing knowledge. Then go on road trips. I love exploring, as I told you. And whenever I'm in a bad mood, road trips will help you be in a very nice state. So whenever I return from a road trip, I'm in such a good state that I can start working again. And if whenever I'm in a bad mood, I just go on a road trip. So if you're feeling low, just go on a road trip. Go out for an hour and you will feel better. Then is traveling solo. So yeah, I have traveled many places, like approximately 20 places I have traveled solo, without family, without friends, no one was there. So top three things which are not in India are Greece, Dubai and Thailand, and many more to come. And in India also I have traveled like 15, 16 places alone. Then this helps you conquer your fears. So apart from traveling, means apart from this, whatever fears you have, you can try to conquer that fears also. So yeah, these are the things. So these are all the things that I've already done that I'm sharing with you all. Then the fifth point is learn to cook healthy recipes. So yeah, I always eat healthy, and thankfully this habit I got from my parents. So my father told my mom to never give me tea and coffee from childhood. So I don't have habit of consuming tea and coffee, and I eat very less oily food, and I don't eat sugar at all. So just focus on healthy eating habits, and focus how you can manage your gut, and focus on your gut health, and try to learn healthy habits. If you are not there yet, you can keep learning every day. Even till today, I keep learning every day. So the learning never stops. Learn yoga, meditation. So yeah, means those who are going for gym, so you can do gym, and yoga and meditation gives peace to mind. So every gym, yoga and meditation, all three have different benefits. So you can do as per your choice, whatever you like. And I keep changing. Like when I'm in mood to do yoga, I will do yoga. When I'm in mood to do meditation, I will do meditation. Like that. So I keep changing. And I go gym also, so as per my mood, and I'm not regular, like I don't do anything every day. I don't do anything which is same every day, so my every day is different. Yeah, so you should know, like you eat healthy, but you should know how to burn your calories and stay fit. I will not say I'm fit, but I'm trying my best to be fit. To be fit. Also, you can participate in marathons. So I don't participate in marathon, but I don't know why. From childhood, I can't run. I do long walks. Like I can walk 15,000 steps in a day, but I can't do race. Like I don't know why from childhood. So yeah, you can participate in marathons if you like. Then go for campaigns. There are many campaigns or campaigning, both you can do. Then volunteer your time with old age people or pets or dogs or children, homeless children or disabled children. So you can find your own cause and see how you can be helpful to the society. I have done this all. I have volunteered for old age people, I have volunteered for children, and I have also volunteered for pet, and I have also done painting for like world development, you can say. Like it was wall painting. So yeah, you should find your own cause. There are so many things you can volunteer in. So just find your own cause which interests you and just do it. That gives you happiness. That gives lot of happiness. I can't tell you like that. Yeah, and the next thing is you can learn about the politics, know about the politics, who is what is going on currently at the place where you are staying, know about the current affairs. So these all is very important. Then learn about investments. It's very important. Okay, you're earning, but where to invest? Like I can give you example. Like there are many people. I'll give you two examples. There is one guy who is okay, so I'll give you an example of two guys. So one guy is earning and he keeps spending. So whatever he earns, he spends, and there is hardly any saving. Okay, and there's another guy, he is earning equally, but he saves 30% or 40% or 10%, whatever amount you can save. You should save and invest in some place, so you will not know, like even if you save 10,000 per month, it can multiply to so much. Like you don't know the power of multiplication. So yeah, just start investment and learn about the investments. Then you can donate your blood, and if you're not interested to donate blood, then you should do your regular blood checkup at least, because like as you grow there are some deficiencies. As I have mentioned in my previous vlog also, I have vitamin D and B12 deficiency, so that I came to know only after my checkups. So I keep doing regular checkups, so it's very important to do your regular blood checkups. So that will help you with the deficiency. You will never know without a checkup that what all deficiencies you have, and you can always correct your deficiencies by taking right dosage as per the instruction of doctor. Then I love growing plants. So you can keep one plant, two plant, or grow your whole garden. That depends on your choice. But I love plants, and I have two houses. So at my mom's place, I have like 30 plus plants. So she and my father both love to maintain a garden, and we have so many plants. And there is one so there is one farmer, he comes and checks the plants. Like every month he comes and checks how are the plants doing, and if he has to add something to make it grow or like that. So yeah, you can do like that. Then the next thing is host parties. Yeah, fun is so important. So just invite your friends, invite your family, and do potluck parties. I love potlucks. Like you, if you can't prepare everything for 30, 40 people, just ask every individual to bring something. I do potlucks a lot. Like, so I cook only one or two dish and they bring whatever they want, so it's sufficient. And if you don't want to cook, you can order, bring your own beverage or bring your own food, like that. So just host parties, and these all things, it helps you so much positively. You will never know till you have done. So I'm just sharing what all I have done and what all has helped me to be happy and peaceful and growing. And obviously, like as I told you, that in every decade, we have changes. So you should always keep updated with the latest trend. I always do that. Every day I learn something or other as per our latest trends. So just keep yourself updated. Be it knowledge, fashion, food, whatever. You should keep yourself updated to the latest trends. Live on your own. Like even if you're living with your family, or you can keep managing your own expense and try to live on your own. Don't be dependent on someone, and try to adopt a pet, and try to adopt whatever you can. Try to donate what you can. So these all are very small things, but it gives so much joy. I cannot tell you, like 2 years back, I celebrated my birthday with the disabled children, and they made drawings for me. Like I had 30 plus drawings, and it was so beautiful. And when I returned from that place, I had so much satisfaction to my soul because, like, I was feeling very happy doing whatever I did. So. I'm reading because, like, if I just say without writing, then I don't think I'll remember all the 30 points. So, yeah, I have literally told you 30 things to do by the age of 30. Literally. And, like, hardly three or four more are balanced to be said. And explore places, as I already told you. So, I want to explore the world, but if I'm not possible to explore each and every country, then whatever I explore, there is no target. I have not set any target, so happily, whatever I can explore, that will help me. Like, nothing is something is better than nothing. So, if you don't go anywhere, so that is worst case. And even if you have explored 5 places instead of 50, but that 5 is also giving you some wisdom, some knowledge, some experiences. So just go out and explore. Now only 2 points are balanced. So the next one I have written is focus on how you can make the world a better place. So do good things, and it always comes back. And I don't keep expectation. I'd never keep expectation that it will come back. But I just focus on the good. I cannot tolerate the negative things. So just focus on good, and your soul will be at peace. Like whether you get anything or not, but at least your soul will be at peace. So just do good and focus on making world a best place to live in. And the last one is know your purpose in life. I don't know, like, see, you have heard 30 and 30 in 30, 40 in 40. So there are many people who achieve late. It's not necessary. Some people achieve at the age of 10. Very early in the life, they achieve success. But some people achieve at 50 also. You can start your career at 50. So there is no age limit, but just start. Just know your purpose in life. It's not necessary to do it at 20. It's not necessary to do it at 30. You can do it anytime, but just know the purpose. Just keep working and just keep going. That's what I can say. So this is all I believe and focus and work on. And I'm still work in progress. I'm not done working. So there is a lot I need to still work on, and I'm doing that. And let's see what my 30s will bring. So as I